to burp some more, because I don't know if you guys were being just weird in the comments, like, yeah, burp more, dude. Just don't burp. Or like, yeah, actually burp, dude. So I'm gonna burp. It's gotta be really loud.
What are you looking for?
Nothing. Yeah, nothing. Okay, here we go, ready? Let me get it in my tummy. That was